Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Maureen Coach here. If you're new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to like, share, and hit that notification bell to get notified each time I post a new video. In this tutorial today, I'm gonna share a very beginner-friendly tutorial on Microsoft PowerPoint. I know this is January whereby we have students going back to school, the professionals going back to work, and Microsoft PowerPoint is an application of Microsoft Office which is commonly used for presentations. So whether you are a student, whether you are working, you cannot miss to do a presentation using Microsoft PowerPoint. And learning the basics and how to navigate Microsoft PowerPoint is key. So let's get in. So first of all, you open PowerPoint. So this is how the PowerPoint interface looks. And then you select a template or a blank presentation. In this case, I'm going to select a blank presentation. And this is how the interface is. Very simple to navigate through. So here we have various tabs. And in these tabs, all these tabs here, the Home tab, Insert tab, Design, Transitions, and all those tabs here, this is where it's called a ribbon. The ribbon here contains tabs like the Home, Design, Transitions, Animation, Slideshow, Review, View, and all those tabs. And then we have the Slides pane here on your left, which displays a list of your slides here. Like mine here, we have slide 1. And then we have the slide area, which is the main area where you design your slide here. You see, you click on here or click to add subtitle. This is your slide area, and it is the main area where you design your slide. And then we have the notes section where you add speaker notes. We want to create a presentation, so we're going to start by clicking on new. When you click new, it will bring you a new slide here. And then from here, you choose your layout. You can start by clicking or here to insert text. Let's say this is our title page. We say, for example, academic. Presentation. And then our subtitle here, we can say by. Yeah, or you can input any information that you want to add there. That's how you add your text. Next, we want to go to our next slide. You can go to new. Here, click on the new tab here, and it gives you the second slide. This is where you start your presentation. Let's call it presentation 1. Yeah, and then you can come and click add the text that you want to add. And here you can use bullets or numbers for your presentations, but I would prefer that you use bullet points. So you come here on the bullets tab, then you choose which ones do you want to use. I prefer these ones here. And then say course 1. You can go to next, course 2, and so on and so forth. So that is how you can continue adding your slides. You just come here to the new tab, add new slide. Yeah. Third slide, I want to show you how you can insert images. So here, let's call this add images in PowerPoint. So I'm going to show you how you can add images in PowerPoint. So to add images in PowerPoint, you can come and go to the Insert tab here. It is on your left corner, left upper corner, right to your Home tab. You click on it, and then it gives you options of inserting table, pictures online. You can source images online. You can take us from your screenshots, photos, shapes, smart charts. You can insert all those. So I'm going to show you how you can easily insert pictures here. So you click on pictures, and then it takes you to your computer where you can select where you want to get your images from. In my instance, it's from camera roll, from camera roll. So then you select the pictures that you want to insert, and then you click on insert. And then it automatically gives you your pictures there. Yeah, so that is how you can easily insert your images. You can also resize this image by just taking the resize button here. And then that is it. So insert charts or tables, you can just come to the Insert tab, Table, and then you will select Insert Table. And then for your table, you will choose the number of columns, then the number of rows. Here, mine is 5 and 2. Then you click on OK. And then it automatically brings your table here. So this is how my table is, but you can also change the design of your table to fit according to how you want it to be or to look like. And that is how to insert images, tables, or charts in Microsoft PowerPoint. The next slide, I'm going to show you how you can design your slides. That is themes and designed. That is, you can design your background here. So let's call this slide design. I'm going to show you how you can design your slides. So you can design your slides by coming here on the Design tab, and then you can choose from all these designs here.
So once you've chosen a particular design, it will display in all of your slides, starting from the first slide to the last slide. As you can see mine, the design in which I chose, it is consistent throughout my entire slides. Then for our next slides, we have transitions. Transitions enables you to move from one slide to the next, and there are various transitions that you can use, such as the fade, push, wipe, shape, and all those transitions. By just clicking on the transitions tab, it gives you the various types of transitions in which you can just choose which one you want to apply and then use it between your slides. For final slide, we have presenting or presentation. After doing your presentation, you have your text in place, you have your images in place, you have everything in place. Your presentation is complete. How do you present your presentation in front of an audience, in front of that particular person whom you're presenting that presentation to? And it is very important. So we have 3 modes. The first one is the slideshow mode, in which you can just navigate to the slideshow tab, and then you can just click on it. By clicking, it will transit your slide from one slide to the next. And then next we have the presenter mode, in which the presenter can see the next slide while the audience can only see the slides displayed on the screen. Yeah, and those are the two types of presentation modes in which you can apply. But in any case, you can do your own research for other presentation modes so that you can learn further on PowerPoint presentation. So I hope all this has been very helpful. See you next in my next video. Bye.